Hello, a warm welcome to all. I am R.HARIPRIYA, Assistant Professor, Department of Costume Design and Fashion. So, in this video, we are going to see about Pack Textiles. So, what is Pack Textiles? Pack Textiles refers to a technical textile used in packing applications, provide protection, storage, transportation and preservation of the products used in agriculture, food, industrial, goods, chemicals and retail sectors, focusing on the strength, durability, lightweight and cost efficiency. So, mainly what are all the textile material which is used in the packing materials to protect the product or a material which is to be packed. So, what are all the things which is used for the packing? It is going to be discussed on this video. So, what is the objective? So, ensure the safe handling and transportation. So, while we handling or we are transporting a product to place or somewhat we are transferring something, it is the main cost of safe handling. Next one is transportation. If we are transporting a product to a particular place or moving to a place, it is the main concept of transportation. Extend product shelf life. So, extending the life of the product by if we are packing in a proper way, it may leads to protecting the product and it will having a good life. Reduce material damage and contamination. In case of protecting some materials to be handled in a very careful way, so the material should not be get damaged. So, we have, if we are transporting some places, mainly we have to concentrate on to avoid the damages, and in name of contamination mainly we concentrate on food products. If we transporting or moving some food products, the contamination will causes. So, if we pack the product properly with suitable materials, it leads to avoid the contamination. Next is enable sustainable and reusable packing. So, if we use some materials, it will be reusable and it should be a sustainable one, and we have to make some products like that and improve the storage and logistic efficiency. So, if we are storing some product with the proper packaging, it will have a good life and it leads to have a long term life period. So, it is a logistic efficiency, so that if we transfer to various places, it will good to be in a proper way. So, the main objective is to ensure the safety and transportation facilities. If we transfer some products, the main concept is to have a safe and transporting something. Next one is what are the fibers used in the pack textiles? In name of natural fibers, jute, cotton, coir, hemp. In compared to synthetics, polypropylene, polyethylene, polyester, nylon. Next is specialty fibers like glass fibers and aramide fibers. So, those are some of the fibers we mainly used in pack textiles. Polypropylene, most widely used packing fibers, lightweight and strong, moisture resistant, excellent chemical resistance, used in a woven sack FIBC bags. So, next one is polyethylene, flexible and waterproof, good impact resistance, heat sealable, used in films, liners and tarpaulins. Natural fibers is jute and cotton, eco-friendly and biodegradable, good breathability, cost effective, used in gunny bags, shopping bags, agricultural packaging. Types of packing of pack tech materials: woven fabrics, non-woven fabrics, knitted fabrics, films and laminates, composites and packaging materials. So, those are some of the pictures of the packing materials we used in day-to-day life. Woven packing textiles, it should have high strength, tear resistant, used for heavy duty sacks, example cement bags, rice bags, fertilizer sacks. Non-woven packaging textiles, lightweight and economical, good cushioning and insulation, used for carry bags and disposable covers, wrapping materials. So, the main functions of pack textiles are protection from mechanical damage, contamination of goods, preservation from moisture and dust, ease of handling and transport, branding and information displays. Protective functions are shock absorption, tear resistant, barrier against UV, moisture and air, prevention of contamination. What are the properties required for the pack textiles? High tensile strength, lightweight, flexibility, water resistant, chemical resistance and recyclability. So, what are all the mechanical properties, physical and chemical properties? So, mechanical in name, tensile strength, burst strength, tear resistant, abrasion resistant and durability. Physical and chemical properties are low moisture absorption, thermal stability, resistance to acids and alkalis, weather resistance and UV stability. What are the characters of the Pack Tech materials? So, it should be cost effective, reusable and recyclable, easy to print and label, customized size and shapes, lightweight but strong. So, those are all characters of the Pack Tech materials. What are the environmental characters we need? Biodegradable option available, reduce plastic waste with the natural fibers, sustainable packing trends, use of recycled polymers. So, what are all the applications in agriculture? Seed bags, fertilizer sack bags, grain storage bags, shade nets and crop covers. In foods and consumer goods, shopping bags, bulk food packages, sugars and flour sacks, teas and spice bags, those are all some of the consumer goods. In industries, cement bags, cement sacks, FIBC or jumbo bags, tarpaulins and covers. Application of logistics and transports, pallet covers, container liners, protective wraps, reusable transport bags. Advantages are lightweight, reduced transportation cost, high durability, reusable and eco-friendly, cost effective, versatile application. So, what are the some limitations? Some synthetic materials are non-biodegradable. So, this is first cost. Environmental concern with plastic. So, if we are using environmental friendly products, it should be an eco-friendly product, but if we use some man-made fibers, it is the main concern. We have to consider those things. Require proper recycling management, limited heat resistance in some polymers. Future trends in Pack Tex. So, biodegradable polymers, smart packing textiles, antimicrobial packing, nanotechnology coating, sustainable eco-friendly solutions. So, we have to think about those future trends in Pack Textiles. So, finally the conclusion. Pack Textile plays a vital role in modern packing systems, combining strength, safety and sustainability, widely used in agriculture, food and industries. Future growth focuses on eco-friendly and smart materials. Thank you.